Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell beside it to enable you to get notified each time I drop a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. We're going to be making a DIY coffee shampoo, and we're going to be needing about 1 cup of your shampoo. Any shampoo of your choice can be used for this recipe. So we are just going to pour in the 1 cup of the shampoo into a plate. We'll also be needing about 1 tablespoon of coffee, caffeinated coffee. Coffee boosts the hair growth. It also promotes softer hair. It exfoliates your scalp. It also darkens your egg texture. And we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of neem oil. Neem is good to get rid of dandruff. It strengthens the hair follicles. It also aids hair growth. So we're going to be needing also 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Castor oil will help fight against dry hair. It moisturizes the scalp and decreases the chance of hair breakage also. So we're just going to give this a good stir and make sure that the coffee dissolves properly. Please, if you've watched my video to this very point and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Click on the notification bell beside it. Click on all to enable you to get notified each time I drop a new video. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section also, because it will enable us to communicate better. Please like my video, because this is going to make YouTube share my video and make my video go viral. I would appreciate that if you do. Thank you. So we're going to transfer this mixture after it is properly dissolved, and we're going to use it to wash our hair right away. I'm going to apply this mixture on my hair. I already wet my hair a little bit. Please hit the subscribe button. Help me get to 500 subscribers. I would really appreciate that if you do. If you try this shampoo on your hair, please come back and give me a feedback to let me know how you like it, or if there's anything you do not like about it. You can also leave that in the comment section. So I'm just going to cover my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to allow it to sit. Then after that, I'm going to wash off my hair with the conditioner of my choice and moisturize my hair also. Please subscribe if you have not. I will appreciate that. And I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye.